Is this job done for you in the turnaround at Intel?
Well, Ed, we have a long way to go yet. Boy, having two good beat and raise quarters in a row, is super positive and really, I think, indicative of that turning point for the company. But we still have a lot of work to do yet. As we said, our client business is now, healthy footing. We've returned market share to where it traditionally was, a strong roadmap. The market's recovering, inventory levels are good. Data center, we still have work to do, but boy, 2 quarters in a row where we did a bit better than we expected, but we still have challenges in AI, and many of our really good products are only coming to market over the next year. Networking, still a lot of inventory to work through, and our foundry business is still just a seedling, just starting to show some green shoots. So I'll say, boy, far from finished, but it is nice bouncing off the bottom a bit and feeling that momentum in the market response.
Pat, why do you have the confidence to kind of call the end of the PC slump and also at the same time state that the server recovery is delayed to the end of the year?
Yeah, in the PC side, inventory levels are now healthy. Right, everything that we've seen and a lot of the issues that we worked through Q4, Q1, and Q2 were over inventory levels by the OEMs and the channel, and now everything is healthy. Our roadmap is very good. We've gained share multiple times in a row. I think we're now at 5 out of 6 quarters where we've gained market share. So I just say in the PC business, healthy. Our position is good. And we're looking forward to the AI PC. And with our launch of our next generation product, Meteor Lake, later this year, we believe that ushers in the AI PC generation. And I've compared that to like Centrino and Wi-Fi, 2 decades ago, a major new use case for why the PC is the best platform. So we're quite excited about that. On the data center side, we still saw that, the inventory levels still persist. China was weaker than expected. Their recovery is going slower. And, cyclically, we see the shift toward AI, these big training machines. Every cloud vendor is shifting their dollars to more focus on that. So those 3 things are leading to a bit longer recovery cycle on the data center. But like I said, we performed a bit better than we thought on the data center in Q1 and Q2. So we're feeling like our momentum and execution is rebuilding despite some of those headwinds that still persist in that area.